Hello and welcome to today's news on Harry Potter News Channel. This week we are focusing on two disastrous earthquake events in San Francisco and Maharashtra. Monica Shi reports live from China with a previous San Francisco earthquake victim currently residing in Shanghai. Over to you, Monica.
Today we will be interviewing a middle-aged lady, Mrs. Baggins. She currently lives in a condo in Shanghai.
Egyptian pyramids.
Do you remember 1989 in San Francisco?
Aha! Yes, I do remember. I was just a kid back then. It happened when I was walking back to my ward, when I was still in the Pritzakinder, where all the mental kids are. Not that I'm mental or anything.
What happened when you were walking back to your ward?
All the lights suddenly went off, and it was so weird. It was so quiet all of a sudden.
Is it usually quiet there?
And she sticks the landing! It's always really loud there. Everyone's screaming at the top of their lungs, so I knew something was wrong when it went quiet and everyone scrambled to get to the nearest.
I see.
And I thought I had problems. They were the ones who were running around the place screaming like...
What happened next?
Power cut? Power cut? Power cut!
I beg your pardon, Mrs. Baggins. We are on live TV here.
And that's exactly what happened.
Oh, okay. But did you feel the earthquake?
No, not until it was over. And then I was walking around like this, all over the place.
What did they do to you then?
Then they diagnosed me with some crazy mental disease.
Well, okay then. Can you describe what happened when everyone was running around?
Well, shells fell over. Everything shook.
But you said you didn't feel the earthquake.
Well, I couldn't feel it, but I could see it. Beds rolled all around the place. The icy drop thing.
Oh, you mean ivy drip bar with the wheels?
Yes, that. Well, they fell over, and many patients didn't have their medication, and they became very hyper.
Wow, sounds like it was pretty messy.
Yes, it was very messy, believe me.
Yes, I do believe.
Good. Well, I'm gonna go soak up my feet now. Goodbye, national TV. I'll be back.
Actually, this is the Harry Potter News Channel.
Thank you, Monica. Now, how and why did this earthquake happen? Earthquake specialist Mandy Pandy has all the answers. We'll be back after the break. Onion rings, chicken strips,
Ketchup.
Burger King, have it your way. Are you having trouble with your furniture?
IKEA.
more ideas. We're back. Earthquake specialist Mandy Pandy has all the answers.
Well, Shannon, San Francisco is specifically located on one of the Earth's main zones of earthquake activity, the San Andreas Fault. Now, the San Andreas Fault is a boundary of two giant tectonic plates. This specific earthquake was caused by pressure building up between these two plates due to prediction. Then, all of a sudden, the pressure was released, causing giant earth tremors and a 6.9 level earthquake on the Richter scale.
Thank you, Mandy Pandy. Now we'll go to Monica Shi, who will update us on the latest information on Maharashtra's earthquake.
Hello.
Hello.
Do you remember what happened 19 years ago in this very city?
Don't remind me. It was so sad. I remember all of the people who died. Most of them were my friends and families.
Aw, how sad. Well, what happened exactly?
Well, the ground started to shake. After that, it turned blank.
So you're saying that the shakes on the ground disrupted your memory?
No.
Okay. Here we are in the eastern part of the city of Maharashtra, where I will visit an old friend, Shanti, and see what she has to say. Hello, Shanti. Long time no see.
I'm Shanti the Indian girl. What do you want?
What do you remember about the earthquake 19 years ago?
Well, I can remember the light went out and the entire house was shaking. 22,000 people died. And not only that, but nobody knew what to do. The entire village was in chaos. So was the rest of India. It was very early in the morning, which made the whole situation even worse. Innocent civilians died, such as little babies in the river. The impact on the Indian people was huge. They were literally running around screaming. Some people resorted to violence, unfortunately.
Is that all you remember?
No.
Well, go on.
Well, oh yes, 2 weeks before the earthquake, my dog Sandy ran away. Sandy, where are you going? I think dogs are psychic.
Well, that's it for today. Back to you, Shannon.
Fascinating, Monica. Any thoughts, Mandy Pandy?
Actually, Shannon, India does not lie on a plate boundary. So there is some debate about what caused this specific earthquake. One suggestion is that the Indian subcontinent crumbles as it pushes against the Asian continent, and pressure is released. It is possible that this pressure is released along fault lines. Fault lines are fractures in the Earth's crust.
Thank you for listening to this week's special on the 2 disastrous earthquakes. Next week, we'll be looking at a beautiful and naturally eroding wonder of the world, Niagara Falls. Be here tomorrow on the Harry Potter News Channel to find out what makes this gorge so gorgeous.
You're so funny. Oh, I mean,